So I just wanted to create a quick video to communicate my interest in Canadian solar and also explain why I think I would be a good candidate to join the business development team. So in regards to my interest in the company, it really comes down to three main reasons. Firstly is that I want to be part of Canadian Solar and contribute to its efforts in changing the face of our electricity supply. I also want to work with like-minded people that share a passion for clean energy. And lastly is that I want to contribute, to Canadian Solar's success on the international stage of renewable energy development. So in regards to why I think I would be a good fit at Canadian Solar, um, I think it's important to look at my background. Going way back, I've always had this burning desire to make a positive difference in the world and to help fight climate change. And so that's something that's never left me throughout all these years. Going back, my dad's family business was involved in renewable energy projects, and so as a kid, I got to be exposed to that. And I was also working for the general contractor that did the construction on those projects. So it was very exciting for me to be exposed to that. I think that only got me, more interested in the renewable energy space. um, After high school, I then pursued a business degree at Wilfrid Laurier University with a focus on environmental studies. Throughout my undergrad, I completed three separate co-op terms. The first one, I actually started my own business, which was focused on diverting carpet from landfills. So I worked with local businesses around Southern Ontario to collect their um, used carpet from their customers and sell it to recycling facilities. So I actually got to run and create a profitable business in a 4 month period, which was very exciting for me. And my next co-op term, I worked for a large corporation, Fidelity Investments. So I got exposure to the corporate world, understanding the structure and how to be successful in that type of environment. My next co-op term, I worked for a software startup called Top Hat. Here I got exposure to working in a very fast-paced, demanding, dynamic working environment, um, dealing with customers, making deals, traveling across Canada. So a really good experience for me there. So after finishing my undergrad at Laurier, which was about a year ago, I pursued a business development role at a Kitchener-Waterloo startup called Bridget. So I've been there for about a year now in business development. Received a promotion a couple months ago to senior business development representative. And while I've been working and after I've graduated from school, I have tried to educate myself on clean energy, renewable energy, climate change, just to broaden my understanding. And I think I've come to a point now where I'm very set on going into the renewables industry or sector, sorry. And so, I really understood now that that's my passion. That's where I want to go with my career, and trying to make the efforts now to get into that space. And I think for me, Canadian Solar is where I want to be for my next step. It seems like a great company, one that is very successful internationally, and also it's local to me, being a Guelph native. During my past year of work, I've pursued multiple different online courses to further my education of clean energy and the climate change. So I've taken one course with a leading renewable energy university out of Amsterdam called TU Delft. That was a 9 week course, and also with Harvard University, an online course as well, 9 weeks focusing on climate change. So I've been actively trying to educate myself so I can be most prepared and set myself up for success in the renewable industry. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and I really hope that there's an opportunity to meet in person and discuss any current or future opportunities at Canadian Solar on the business development team. Thank you.